Hey guys, got another gun here from my collection. This is this is quite a piece. I mean, it's obviously a prototype. This is a double-barreled 45 long Colt pistol. It's like I said, it's a beast, and it is a obviously prototype, kind of a sci-fi look about it. I think kind of a maybe a Thor's hammer look about it, but it's a pretty neat little pistol. It is heavy, but yeah, it's pretty neat. A little about how it works. There's a button right here you press on the side, and that unlocks the barrels. So you can hit that button there. It does stay um, locked over. Of course, it's just double barrel 45 long Colt. It does have an ejectors down here, so you can eject your spent shells. And it is manually cocked, so you have to cock it manually like that, both sides. And there's two triggers, one for the right, one for the left. Got a pretty good trigger pull. It's short though. Yeah, not bad though. The barrels are 5 inches long. They're Green Mountain barrels. 1 in 16 twist. The grip here is walnut. Everything's steel. Well, I guess the hilt cap here is aluminum. Yeah, it's a strange pistol design. It would probably be more conducive for a double barrel rifle or a double barrel shotgun. The lock mechanism reminds me of some LC Smith stuff I've seen before. But yeah, very definitely a prototype and very unique gun for my collection. But hey, enough talk about it. Let's take it to the range. Yeah, it's a Barker. It's a heavy gun, but it's a head turner at the range. I got I got some looks walking up there with this thing. But yeah, it is fun to shoot. You can see, there's really just two identical triggers in here, and it has a pretty good lockup. Like I said, I didn't have any doubles, where you shoot one and then the other barrel go off. So it's got a pretty good little trigger down in there, trigger mechanism. Um, but I guess to field strip it for cleaning, really the only thing to do, guns like this have, um, you know, easy access is you can take the barrels off and get better access to that. To do that, there is a little set screw down here, and you can knock this pin out, and the barrels come off. Let me do that real quick. Yeah, there it is. That again, that center pin right there is what pivots the barrel. But you can see the ejectors down here. Of course, it's just one ejector for both barrels. Nothing's been finished. None of the metal has been finished, so there's still, I guess, heat treating colorations on it. And you can see, need to clean. Like I said, I took it out this morning, so I need to clean around it some. But yeah, a neat a neat little gun. I'm sure the elephant in the room is how much this thing weigh. It's about 5.5 pounds, which is pretty heavy. A lot of rifles weigh 6 or 7 pounds. The old Colt Dragoon or Colt Walkers, I think they weighed like 4.5 pounds. So that just lets you know how heavy it is. Now it is obviously a beast of a gun, in a very Thor's pistol. Was what I call it. But yeah, if this design really interests you, I will make a video over on Rumble, Garage Guy 3006, and go into more detail if this thing really interests you. I'm trying to think if there's anything else about it. The barrels are crowned. There's two barrels, like I said, Green Mountain down there rifled. Look pretty good. But yeah, really, you're just cleaning it up. Like I said, these side by sides like this are pretty easy to clean. So I guess to put it back together, you just reattach the barrels, put the pin in there, and tighten down that set screw, and that puts it back together. Hey guys, real quick, if things like this interest you, if you've gotten this far in the video, I do have some books available on Amazon from some guns in my collection. There should be a playlist on my channel called Books on Guns. There should be a video on each one of these. Again, they're available on Amazon. Check them out. You might be interested. If there's not a video on a particular book, check over on Rumble. Sometimes the platform doesn't care for these. Okay, back to it. But there it is back together. You can function check it. I've got just some spent cases over here. You just obviously just load them manually, and I close it up. And of course, you would cock it, shoot it, and you really need to recock it if there's spit cases in there, so the firing pins will clear the primers. But yeah, neat little um, double barrel. But that's really all I can share on this platform. It is a fun little, neat little pistol. Little pistol. It's a brick really. But let's just see the other side too. But yeah, it's been fun uh, little gun for my collection. So anyways, hey guys, be safe and God bless. Thanks.